This secret feature allows you to do a content gap analysis on your top competitors and then write an article that outranks them. Let's walk through how to use it. So this is a fairly new feature that we've added into WordRocket that I haven't shown you guys on this channel. So this feature allows you to enable your competitors' URLs for the blog post in which they're ranking for, and then we're going to do a competitor analysis. We're going to scrape that specific article. We're going to see the pros, the cons, we're going to see the strengths and the weaknesses of those specific articles and find the content gap and opportunities and use that within a custom prompt to write an article that will outrank that competitor. Let's say, for example, you wanted to go after a pretty tough keyword, like let's say best stocks to invest in 2026. As we can see from the SERP, there's going to be some big, heavy players. But if you want to outrank our competitors, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We just need to do better what they are already doing. So these articles are ranking number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on Google. By taking a look at these articles, we can see what they're doing right, and we can see what Google likes in terms of ranking for this specific keyword. So instead of manually having to go through each one of these articles, copying it into ChatGPT for a competitor analysis, you can automate that process using the competitor analysis mode. And this is included in the generate content template. So what I've done is I've went ahead and I've searched up my keyword and copied over the top competitors that's relevant, so mostly blog posts and articles that's relevant and ranking for that keyword, and I've just pasted into the competitor analysis mode. I've also toggled on live web research, and I'm going to use that keyword to also search up on the internet because I want to combine my live researched information with the information from the top ranked articles, because that will give me the best information and increase the chances that I can actually rank for this keyword, because I'm doing my own independent research, then I'm doing a competitor analysis on the top ranked keywords, and then I'm using all that information into Claude Sonnet 4.5 to write the article. So you can see why those articles would do well. So I'm just gonna leave my settings as is. We're gonna go for 5 images. And that's how easy it is to do a competitor analysis and live web research in your article. So we can go ahead and click generate SEO content, and the analysis will happen in the background. We'll extract keywords, topic structure, and identify content gaps. Let's go ahead and click generate SEO content and give it a couple of minutes, because there's a couple of multi-step approach that's going to happen here. First, we're going to do live web research using Perplexity AI on that topic. We're then going to scrape each one of these individual articles, extract the main information, and put that all together into a custom prompt to then write the full article. After a couple of minutes, your article will be generated in the My Content section. So best stocks to invest in 2026, expert analysis and strategic recommendations. So we get a nice cover image here. We get our key takeaways and our introduction. If we scroll down, we get a secondary image, which is the market outlook of 2026. So tech, healthcare, financial services, consumer, discretionary, industrials, and so on and so forth. Really, really nice image. Very little to no distortion in the text, which I love. Scroll down a little bit more, and if you've generated content with WordRocket, you can tell that this is different. This follows a different format because it's done competitor analysis. If you scroll down a little bit more, we can see that there's a lot of content around the top industries and the top stocks to choose from. We get an emergent market trend shaping 2026 investments, and we can see here that these images are really, really well done. We get the logo from the actual companies themselves: Nvidia, Tesla, Shopify, and we can see again little to no distortion on the actual text. If I scroll down and just keep going, this is a beast of an article, very, very in-depth. And again, you can tell that it followed a different direction that it was able to pull, or a different outline that it was able to pull from the competitor analysis. If we scroll all the way down, at the end, we get our last image here. And we get some pull quotes here that we get back from different perspectives. And lastly, we get our conclusion with our key investment themes for 2026. And we get our final thoughts, and we get our references. So I would say that this is a beast of an article. Let me go ahead and take a look at the word count. So in terms of word count, this is over 8,500 words. And again, that is because we use our competitor analysis mode. Even though we told it that we wanted a specific word count, it doesn't necessarily follow that when you use the competitor analysis mode, because it's going to see what is the optimal amount of content that we need to do if we want to outrank our competitor. Let's test the content optimization score on NeuronWriter. If you don't know what NeuronWriter is, it is a content optimization tool. So essentially you enter in your keyword, like best stocks invested in 2026. We're going to choose some of our competitors here. I like to deselect anything that is from social media platforms, anything that is from Reddit or Quora or YouTube. And now we're going to paste in our content. But before we do that, let's go ahead and generate our title and generate our meta description. So save changes. And then we're going to enter in our content here. So we're at an 18. And as you can see, we get all the way up to a 74 in terms of our content optimization score. And according to NeuronWriter, that is #1 and higher than the top ranked article from Google on this topic. So we're already beating the top ranked article just from doing our competitor analysis mode without doing any further optimizations. And if we actually go ahead and use our own title instead of the generated title, we jump up to a 75. So 75 out of 100 just from the first generation article that we did with WordRocket is really, really good. So we can be confident that when we use the competitor analysis mode, we can be confident that we'll find content gap opportunities and be able to write articles that will outrank the top articles for a SERP overview. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you want to try the competitor analysis mode, you can try it out for completely free in any one of your WordRocket accounts. Head over to app.wordrocket.ai and head over to generate content, and you can try out our competitor analysis mode for yourselves. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.